So, andito tayo ngayon sa Royal Palm Residences in Acacia Estates to check this foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. Malapit lang po tayo sa Taguig City Hall, BGC, and McKinley Hill. So this is the unit. Kata building, second floor lang po tayo. Total floor area is 77 square meters, 3 bedrooms, and this is around 6 million. So pagpasok nyo, ayan, kitchen, over and under cabinets. And then ito yung parang yung primary bedroom. May mga built-in cabinets and ensuite bathroom. Yan. And then living and dining area, meron siyang access to the balcony. Drywall lang siya, pwede nyo itong i-knock down. Then yung balcony niya, yan, facing parks and playground ba yan? And other building. And then bedroom 1, meron siyang access to the balcony. May built-in cabinets na rin. Corner unit tayo, kaya marami tayong bintana for better lighting and ventilation. Drywall din siya. Pwede nyo siyang tanggalin para pag-isahing kwarto na lang. And then very spacious yung balcony. Malaki siya. Ayan. Tapos facing open space and swimming pool. Tapos ito yung isang kwarto. Ayan. Tagus niya. Again, may built-in cabinets. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong common bathroom. So the unit is need repairs and renovations. Natirhan po siya. Ayan. And this is a still sale below market and zonal value. Available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. This is as is where is upon turnover, and submission of offers first come first served basis. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly.